Good morning. My name is Nisha Jafari, and this is a video reflection of tutoring mathematics to Emily Polashek, 10th grader math core, and Martina Malvito, higher level math in 11th grade. This is a reflection for undertaking new challenges. This was a new challenge for me because even though I have taught mathematics before, but especially with Martina Malvito, I've never taught it for such a higher level. I've taught it for middle school or elementary school, but not at a higher level. And it was a kind of a new challenge for me because uh, I was also being tested upon the same kind of materials that I was tutoring Martina for. But this new skill was actually really helpful for me because it was a challenge at first because every time we went through a problem that was a little bit more difficult, I had to take more time rather than I would take with an elementary school student to first get the problem myself and then do it for her. But at the end, it really helped me with my own mathematics as well. And also, we started to plan it at the beginning. So I started to plan ahead what kind of problems and what kind of topics we're going to go through. So the next time I was able to teach her more efficiently. Also, another challenge for me was that sometimes the concept got a little bit more difficult, and I was able to understand and implement it myself, but it was so much harder to actually teach it. And it wasn't as easy of teaching, I'll say, like subtracting and multiplying and addition in elementary school. So I wasn't really sure how to teach as well as understand it. So that was a new challenge for me. But what really helped me was showing her examples of my own. So, for instance, if there was a question about optimization or related rates, for instance, and the question was a little bit too difficult and it kind of had a grasp of every aspect, what I would do is that I would take the general idea and I would make my own question and I would make my own dimensions and all that kind of stuff. And I would teach her through the easy numbers that would integrate or would differentiate easily, and there were no like integration by parts or substitution or differentiation. There would be no product rule or cross product rule or the division, but I was able to show her the main concept through these easy examples, and once she understood those, then she could implement it on a harder problems and examples. So this was a new challenge for me, and I was able to go through it at the end, which was really helpful.